You got a gift from Mobily Pay. How to redeem a Mobily Pay gift card. If you want to redeem the Mobily Pay gift card, it is very simple for us to do so. Now you can use the Mobily Pay gift card on different platforms like Splash or TNC or R&B or TNC or Centerpoint or other options like Shoe Express and so on. So different type of options you'll have to redeem it. But you can also do this from the Mobily Pay app itself, and the thing is that you have to launch the Mobily Pay app, or you can also go to its respective website. There you have to simply, after you log in, navigate to the redemption section and then enter the 25-digit card number and 4-digit PIN. Then after you do that, you can tap on the apply button to use the gift card. This way you can redeem a Mobily Pay gift card. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.